Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin consolidates near $87,800, while altcoins quietly gain momentum. Meanwhile, 2025 closes with historic regulatory wins and institutional forecasts that range from explosive to uncertain for 2026. Bitcoin trades between $86,500 and $90,000 at $87,800, up 0.5%. Ethereum trades at $2,941, Solana at $124.52, and XRP at $1.87. Total crypto market cap stands at $3.06 trillion. Despite Bitcoin's lackluster price action, altcoins show signs of strength. While Bitcoin faces resistance at $90,000, XRP and Solana have been outperforming during this consolidation. On-chain data reveals short-term holders remain underwater with their cost basis near $99,900, creating overhead selling pressure. Michael Saylor predicts Bitcoin could reach $143,000 to $170,000 in 2026. He revealed major U.S. banks including BNY Mellon, Wells Fargo, and Bank of America are exploring Bitcoin custody and credit issuance in the first half of 2026. Saylor argues the past 12 months have been the strongest in Bitcoin's history fundamentally, despite prices being down roughly 10% for the year. Galaxy Digital maintains a longer-term target of $250,000 by end of 2027. Options markets reflect uncertainty, pricing nearly equal odds of Bitcoin trading between $70,000 and $130,000 by June 2026. On the regulatory front, 2025 delivered historic progress. Congress passed the Genius Act, establishing clear rules for stablecoin issuers with full reserve backing and federal oversight. The SEC dismissed most enforcement cases against crypto companies, while Project Crypto launched to define which tokens qualify as securities. The CFTC formally recognized Bitcoin and Ethereum as commodities and approved them as collateral in derivatives markets. Stablecoins are positioned to potentially surpass ACH payment volume in 2026. The market currently sits at $309 billion, growing at 30 to 40% annually. Visa expanded its stablecoin settlement program, while Western Union and Sony Bank announced plans to launch their own stablecoins. Google's Willow processor and IBM's roadmap targeting 200 error-corrected qubits by 2029 forced acknowledgement that Bitcoin's security adaptation window is finite, with experts estimating any transition would take a minimum of 5 years. Asia is building alternative stablecoin infrastructure focused on local currencies. Hong Kong's licensing regime for HKD-pegged stablecoins began in August, South Korea is developing KRW frameworks, and Japan is advancing yen-pegged tokens. Browser wallet security remains critical. In 2025, personal wallet compromises reached $713 million in losses, with Trust Wallet's malicious Chrome extension stealing approximately $7 million before being fixed. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.